video from Fast Tech. In this one, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take the side plates off a PS5. The PlayStation that I'm using today for this demonstration is a PS5 digital edition, but this video applies to PS5 disc editions as well, as they're very similar in design. The reasons you'd want to take the side plate off is if you want to change the color or the case, obviously, but also if you want to upgrade the storage on your PS5 using an SSD. We sell aftermarket cases and SSDs on our website at fasttechstore.com, so please check us out if you need those, and you can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift up the corner here and then just slide the case off. Once we have this side off, we're going to go on the other side, which is the only side you need to remove if you're doing an SSD upgrade. And now we're gonna lift it up from this corner. Lift it up and then push at the same time. On the PS5 disc edition, sometimes you can just hit it on the side like that. But on the PS5 digital edition, it seems like it's a little bit tougher to get the case off. But on the disc edition, a light tap on each side as shown here and here should get the job done, but it seems to be a little bit more tough on the PS5 digital edition. And at this point, once you have this side off, you can upgrade your SSD by removing this screw here. And it will reveal this bay where you can install your SSD. Once you have a compatible SSD installed, links for those are going to be in the description box and top comment. Once you're done installing your SSD in there, that's the slot itself for the SSD right there. Once you're done installing your SSD, you can reinstall this panel by sticking this piece in. This side goes in first. And then we're going to install this long Phillips screw. It's like the older PS3 and PS4 hard drive screw, but much longer. And then you screw it in. Now we're going to install the panels. So this side, the plain side, is the one that goes on here. The one with the PS logo goes on the other side. So we're going to install our case back on like this. All right, guys. Okay, make sure you pay attention. And then once it's on, you just push it in place and boom. Same thing on the other side. We're going to reinstall the panel. Boom. Click like that. And we're done. Thanks for watching another video from Fast Tech. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and smash the like button. And click the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss another Fast Tech PS5 video. Also, check out my vlog channel in which I travel the world and I record my adventures. Links for that are also going to be in the description box and top comment. This is Shiroz from Fast Tech signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.